Everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we are making mahamri. This is a coastal dish as requested by many of you. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't to watch many other videos. So to begin with, you will crush some sugar with cardamom. As you can see, this is just to enhance the flavor of the cardamom when putting it in the mahamris. Step is to put in your flour in a bowl. I used 8 cups of flour, as you can see, and 2 cups of sugar, 3 teaspoons of yeast. You can use instant yeast, then 3 teaspoons of the combined crushed cardamom and sugar mixture. Mix well to combine. Then add in 3 tablespoons of cooking oil or vegetable oil and keep on combining to get everything mixed up really well. Gradually add in your coconut water as you need to form the dough. You will need about 2 cups of coconut milk for this recipe. Dough should be ready in about 10 minutes of kneading and should be this soft. The next step is to form round balls and roll out into a flat surface and cut into the desired shape. If you're not using instant yeast, let them rise for about 30 minutes before frying. But since you're using instant yeast, we'll immediately fry on high heat until golden brown. Looks yummy, right? Yeah, that's how simple mahamri is to make. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed this video. Watch and share the other videos with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching and bye.